Brian, what do you have to say for yourself?
Cock.
All right.
No. Oh, my legs. I'm never gonna do that again. Ooga booga.
So, kind of bike you got here, Brian?
This is 2019 Fit STR Yumi FC Trans Gold. Obviously, it's not gold.
Nice bike stand there. Yeah, it was blue and purple.
No, it was shit green with a gold undercoat.
All right. So, you want to tell us a little bit about the bike here, Brian? Brian J. Miranda?
First upgrade was $98 S&M Fubar.
Whoopty.
10-inch rise.
Whoopty.
And then I got hub guards, my rear wheel Trude, and
I don't see hub guards on there.
not anymore. I don't know where I put them. They're gone.
It's mint.
25.9 pegs, Odyssey twisted pedals, OEM cranks because who needs to upgrade those, right?
What about this chain? This chain's pretty mint.
KMC Masterlink OEM chain from Fit.
I can't remember what the name of these goddamn grips are.
S&M.
I think they're holder grips. Yeah, they're holder. And then I got Odyssey R32 fork. 32 millimeters of rate, I think. I have a Rant Party on V2 front wheel, female axle, double wall. Got an OEM rear free coaster wheel, truer than a nun trying to lie. Single wall, I'm going to upgrade it to the $200 double wall.
Oh, by the way, shout out to Action Wheels Bike Shop for the true.
Oh, yeah, they trued it and it hasn't
Mint.
untrued. I love Action Wheels.
Mint.
And then it's covered in Rust-Oleum.
We can see that.
Ooh.
Is that right, Brian?
Oh, dude, we should do the... Oh, shit! Stop, no! Bingo.
Mint down, here we go. First game with 6'10" foot down, let me grab my bicycle.
First game. This is like a fourth game. You're slow. Get a clue! Fuck out of the way.
Alright, Brian, let's do this. 6'10" foot down.
Oh.
You went down, or I went down first.
What?
Yeah.
Crap,
I did a fakie. Alright, my bike check.
Wait, no. I can handle it, Ken. You need to show off your bike. Let me see your face.
Nah, I'm good. So, it's my bike check. I got it. What year is this?
I think he had said 2012.
2012. Haro frame. Pretty mint. Painted it rose gold. It's pretty fire. Got a Stolen Casino seat and seat post. It's all rigid. Brian, if you don't shut up, I'm gonna punch you. We got a Fly Bikes front lunar rim.
V1.
V1. Shut the fuck up, you little dick. We got a Primo front wheel or front hub. Merit pegs. What are Fit pegs on the other side?
Yeah, Fit OEMs.
We got Fit OEM pegs. We got a BSD tire. Salt plus back wheel.
BSD, big stupid
Free
dick.
coaster. Nice Odyssey sticker I stole from Brian's house yesterday. Got a Chris King headset. Get on my level, Brian.
I'm gonna get Chris King bearings. Don't easy.
Fit Bike Co. What size bar or what rise?
10, I think they're 10s.
10-inch rise
Same
bars.
Same as mine, just short.
We got Brock Rayford Odyssey signatures. Fit stem.
Check out them bar ends.
Alright, I only got one bar end because it only came with one bar end, Brian. There's nothing I can do about it. Best part is, we got a nice set of Primo cranks that cost more than both of our bikes. KMC chain. E13 sprocket. So yeah, it's my bike check. Pretty mint.
Is that a
Alright,
hair?
Brian, how do you feel about your first win?
First is very true.
See, this is an actual BMX bike. Primo cranks.
What's this little kink in the frame?
Hey,
What's
why
that?
don't you shut your damn mouth?
I don't have a single dent on my frame.
Yeah, but last time I checked, you don't have a lunar front wheel. Last time I checked, I actually have a two-piece double wall rear wheel. You dick.
Well, I don't need to upgrade what's not broken.
Good. Where's Nicholas? Need my scooter.
Scoot. We're having a game of Scoot when that gets here. 'Cause I